Hi, I'm Miss Cupid. I'm going to show you how to get started in my beginning algebra online class. The first thing that I'm going to point out is your syllabus. If you click in Canvas on the syllabus, that's the syllabus that we're using for this semester. So you could read over that. Also, I want to show you modules. Now, if you click on modules, this is what you'll do each week. And beside each module, it has the due date. These due dates are also in the calendar on Canvas, so you could also check them there. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is to register for MyMathLab or connect Canvas to your MyMathLab account. So you click on these registration instructions right here, and you're going to highlight the access code, right click and copy. And then we're going to click on the MyLab and Mastering link. It's right down here on the left hand side. And click on Open MyLab and Mastering. Okay, now if you already have a Pearson account, you will go straight to this page where you key in your access code. If you don't have a Pearson account, you will have to create one. So just follow the directions on the page to create a Pearson account. And I would use my Colin email for my email and username, and the word password1 with a capital P for the password. Now, if at any point something doesn't come up, you've probably got your pop-ups blocked. You have to make sure that you allow pop-ups. And whenever you click on Open MyLab and Mastering, if it does not open, in the upper right-hand corner in your address bar, there will be a really tiny X. Just click on that red X and click on Always Allow Pop-ups from that site that's listed there, and click Done, and then you'll be able to reopen the page. Okay. Once you create your account, you click on Access Code, and we're going to right-click and we're going to paste our access code, and then we'll click Finish. And you're done. Once this loads, we're totally done with linking our accounts. Okay, and we don't have to go back to this site anymore. We only have to do that one time. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Canvas. Now, if you click on Modules again, after you've done the MyMathLab registration, do also make sure you do this first assignment just to let me know that you are participating in the class, and make sure you add your cell phone number. But then we'll start with Module 1. If you click on Module 1, there's a video for the lesson. You can watch that video. That's actually me teaching a class. I recorded one of my class lectures. Then it has instructions on what you're to do. So you're supposed to click on Assignments, which is over here, and you're supposed to complete 1.3 homework. And you can do it until you make 100. And you're also supposed to complete Module 1 quiz. So let's just take a look at that for a second. We'll click on Assignments, and we'll open this first homework assignment. Click on Question 1, and you'll be able to do these problems until you get them right. You just either use your keyboard, or this one has a drop down arrow, and you just check answer. And you could go in any order you wanted to. If you miss one, it gives you the opportunity to do a similar question. So you can do all the questions until you get them right. If you don't know how to do a problem, click on Question Help, and you can view an example. You can click Help Me Solve This, but that'll make you start over on the problem if you click that. Or you can view the textbook. Okay, and when you're done, you just save it, and you can save it at any point. You don't have to complete it all in one setting, and you're done. Now, whenever you go to do your quizzes, I'm not going to open it up, but whenever you go to do that first quiz, you won't have any of those help buttons, and you'll also have to complete the whole quiz in one sitting. You won't be able to leave it and come back to it. And on the quizzes, you're allowed 3 attempts per quiz, but you have to take the whole quiz over, and your high score counts. Okay. Make sure that you notice that our proctored exam is due on March the 9th. If you do not take that proctored exam by March the 9th, then you fail the class. So please make sure early on in the semester that you make that appointment. You have to go through Smarter Proctoring. Over here on the left, you have to go through Smarter Proctoring in order to set up that proctored midterm. And you need to do it at least a week in advance because the slots fill up. Okay, once you complete an assignment, and it puts the grade in there as soon as you save it. And if I were to go in and finish this assignment, it would change. I didn't really make a 12 on it. It puts the grade in every time you save it. So whatever your highest grade is, that's the grade it'll save in the end. Okay. If you think of any questions, please feel free to let me know. I hope this video was helpful.